Okay, now we're going to show you how to use Pagemash and why you want this installed on your WordPress blog. I can't really show you on this new blog we're setting up because I don't have really any pages yet. But actually, yes, I can. Let's do this because I do have the About page. So if I come into my blog and I go to Pages in the dashboards, and then I click on Pagemash, this will be here if you've installed and activated Pagemash. And then under About, I want to just scroll over this. I'll make this pop up. Click on Hide. Okay. Click Update. And then click Refresh on your blog. And you won't see the About page. Okay. It's still there. Like I can navigate to it by adding About or whatever the URL is for that page. Okay. It's still there, but it's hidden from the menu. Alright, now you might be asking, why would I want to be able to hide pages? Well, let's say you end up having 50 pages. That would look really goofy. In fact, on one of my sites, on Steve Scott's blog, we need to go in and fix that because there's too many pages showing. So you see all these things. I'll show you, I'll use our site as a bad example. We're not really using this blog anymore, though. That's why I haven't bothered to change it. But we've transferred everything to mymasterstrategies.com instead of Steve Scott's blog. But see this? It can only fit in with this WordPress theme. It can only fit that many pages up there, and if you get more, that looks goofy. So sometimes you don't want that, but you still need the page. So what you do is, or you have a page that you just don't want to show up there for whatever reason. So you use Pagemash. You make the page. What you do is first, I'll show you. Let's unhide this. Okay, and then click Update. Now we'll come back. There it is. Okay, so let's say you got a page you don't want to show up there. You come into Pages, you add new, and you create a new page, right? Let's assume we've done that. We want to make sure it's showing first off. Okay, we'll use the About page as an example. Let's go to that page, and then we want to get that URL. We want to copy that URL. Then we can come back to the About page or in Pagemash, and we can hide it again. We can update it. Now you'll see it's gone. Okay, it's gone. But we want people to be able to get to that. Maybe we want a link in our footer or in a post that links them to that page, or a banner. We could then go edit this banner, for example, and link it to that URL that we had for that page. And this banner would then land them on that page. Or we could have a blog post. And within this blog post, we might have a link. Maybe I have a link right here, okay? And that link can link them to that page using that URL that I had. So what I recommend you do, if you're going to use this feature, is you create the pages and let them show. Let them be ugly for a minute, even if you have 50. And then you click on those pages so you can get that URL. You copy and paste that URL. And then wherever it is, whether it's in a banner ad, or I'll show you another little trick you can do with widgets. We could go into Appearances. And we could actually, let's do this. We could go to our Links tab. Come on, links. And so if we have a bunch of pages we want people to have access to, this would be a good way to do that, is by creating a link with our Links tab. And add a new link and say About page or whatever your page is. Add the web address that you copied or no. If you want, add a description. Add this to a category. You can make link categories, whatever. Tell it if you want it. Blank means it will open in a new window or tab. Top means it'll open in the current one. Choose what you want there. And then click on Add Link at the top here. Okay, the link has been added. In the next video, I'll show you what this looks like in your website.